Imagine that two participants, Janet and Bob, were given scores in a study, and that Janet's score was 3 points lower than Bob's. Which scale of measurement are these scores an example of? Okay, so the basic idea, the basic division that you can look at always with nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio, we've got the last two grouped together here, is that nominal and ordinal are what are called qualitative, and interval and ratio are quantitative. Qualitative just means that you're dealing with qualities of things. So if I wanted to know, if I was asking people what color car do you drive, that's a quality of the car. And so they might say red or gray or blue or something like that. Whereas quantitative brings to mind quantities or numbers. And interval and ratio deal with numbers. So something like scores is going to be quantitative. Now, interval, ratio, they both deal with numbers. And so the answer here is that we're looking at either interval or ratio. We don't know anything further about this sort of a measurement other than they've just been given scores. We don't know what they're measuring, how they're being scored, so it simply will just be interval or ratio. We can't go any further. We can't be more specific than that, so we can't say that it's definitely interval and not ratio. So interval or ratio is the answer here.